Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20p and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings and here scroll and find display and brightness. Then we have to scroll down and find this option Screen Timeout and tap on it. Right here we've got some timeout options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom we've got the longest, which is 30 minutes. So all you have to do is to tap on the option you'd like to use. I'll choose 30 minutes, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 30 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.